video, we're gonna be doing a pack opening on Madden Mobile. We have 555 cash, 555. So go to store, maybe play head-to-head. So I'm doing a premium pack. Yeah. So YOLO. Boop. I might open a pro pack or save my money. Oh, orange inflation. Okay, I might be in elite. Dang it. Okay. Not that bad. Update my team. Yeah, I'm gonna save up for my stuff because I don't want to do it yet. Do the head-to-head. No, what's this? Fix this person. Dallas Cowboys versus San Diego Chargers. Go. Bleh. Oh god, that's loud. Here, I'm turning it down. Wait. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Down again. Yui. Come on. I'm chewing gum right now. I'm sorry if you can hear me chewing. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. 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 Okay. The play always works out for me. Well, not always, but most of the time, like right now. I'm balling. That's just not right. Oh, yeah, this guy. Oh, don't bet. I'm doing your. Oh, hey, we have the same center. Weird. How does he have one thing better than me? He only has 2 elites. I can take that out. That's it. Okay, so I'll be ending this video. And I'll see you guys. Wrong game. And I'll see you guys later. Peace!